Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share the laptop that needs no introduction, the Apple 2022 MacBook with the M2 chip. Now, I've been an Apple fan since I was 14, and that hasn't changed. I run a lot of processing intense software, often multiple applications at the same time, and this laptop has never let me down. It is the fastest laptop that I've used. I personally am a huge fan of the touch bar. I find it really intuitive, especially when using applications like Microsoft Word, where I can, for instance, adjust the settings of my document from the touch bar instead of the menu. It doesn't overheat. It has a long-lasting battery life. Depending on how much I'm using the laptop, I can even go a few days before charging it again. It is light and sleek, making it easy to take it anywhere on the go. And what always keeps me coming back to MacBooks is just how intuitive operating it is. It's great for all ages. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.